G'day guys, having introduced real GDP and talked a little bit about how it's more important to see growth in real GDP as opposed to nominal, let's now talk about the actual sources of that growth and talk about the business cycle. In order to talk about economic growth, we first need to introduce an important concept, which is the idea of potential GDP. So this is what GDP would be if all factors of production were fully employed. Now, unfortunately, this can be a really misleading concept. So let me demonstrate with a question. Now, if factors of production are fully employed, does that mean that they are being used 100%? Just going off of the term fully employed, you would probably think yes. That's naturally the conclusion you would come to. But the answer is no. For example, one of the factors of production is labor. And if you hear that there is full employment, you would probably think that means there's an unemployment rate of 0. But it's actually not the case at all. With full employment, you actually expect there to be an unemployment rate above 0. At the same time, the term potential GDP can be kind of misleading as well. You might think, well, does potential GDP mean maximum GDP? After all, the potential is sort of like the maximum level of something that you can reach. But the answer here also is no. Potential GDP is not maximum GDP. So let's talk about